Artificial intelligence is transforming the world faster than we ever imagined, and one of the biggest questions on everyone's mind is, will AI replace my job? In this video, we'll take a look at the jobs that AI might take over by 2030 and what that could mean for the future of work. Let's get into it. First on the list is data entry and administrative work. AI has already started automating repetitive tasks like inputting data, managing schedules, and even handling basic customer service inquiries through chatbots. By 2030, most administrative roles could be fully automated, saving companies time and money. If you're in one of these jobs, it's time to start thinking about upskilling into more creative or strategic roles that AI can't replicate. Next up are manufacturing jobs. Factories around the world have already integrated robots and AI to streamline production lines, and that trend is only accelerating. AI-powered machines can work 24/7 without breaks and are highly efficient at tasks like assembling products or quality control. By 2030, many traditional manufacturing jobs could be replaced by smart robots, forcing workers to adapt by learning how to operate and maintain these systems instead of performing the tasks themselves. Another sector that's being heavily impacted is retail. With the rise of AI in retail, from automated checkout systems to personalized shopping recommendations, human involvement is slowly decreasing. Some companies are even using AI to handle inventory management and customer service, replacing jobs like cashiers and stock clerks. By 2030, shopping experiences could be nearly fully automated, leaving fewer opportunities for traditional retail workers. AI is also making strides in transportation. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are becoming more common, with companies like Tesla and Google leading the charge. By 2030, AI-powered vehicles could drastically reduce the need for human drivers in industries like trucking, delivery services, and even ride-sharing platforms. If you're working in transportation, it might be time to start thinking about a future where AI takes the wheel. One surprising field that could also see a transformation is finance. AI algorithms are already being used to analyze data, predict stock trends, and even automate basic accounting tasks. By 2030, many traditional roles in banking, investing, and accounting could be handled by AI systems, especially when it comes to tasks like auditing, managing portfolios, or processing transactions. People in finance will need to shift toward roles that require deeper strategic thinking and human oversight. Finally, let's talk about customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are getting smarter and better at handling customer inquiries and solving problems. By 2030, AI could take over a significant portion of customer service roles, particularly in industries like telecom, retail, and tech support. However, human agents will likely still be needed for more complex and emotional interactions that AI can't quite handle yet. So, can AI replace you? It depends on your job. Many routine, repetitive, and manual roles are at high risk of being automated by 2030, but that doesn't mean there won't be opportunities. The key is to stay ahead of the curve by learning new skills that AI can't replicate, like creativity, complex problem solving, and emotional intelligence. Are you worried about your job being replaced by AI? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates on AI and the future of work.